Okay. Hello, everyone. Can you hear my voice? Okay, so welcome to today's webinar to the launch of Anviz Smart Surveillance products. And my name is Peter. I'm in charge of the CCTV division of Anviz Global. So today's webinar will be included in two parts. The first part, I will present our latest product solution of IntelliSight. And the second part will be question and answer time. So if you have any question, you can put up your hand and then we will answer your questions. Okay. The presentation will be including 6 parts. The first part will be general introduction about Anviz. The second part will be introduction about our new IntelliSight solution. The third part will be introducing about our iCam cameras. The fourth part will be introduction about our IntelliSight mobile app and the VMS. The part 5 will be introduction about our LiveStation NVR. And the final part will be general introduction about our partnership plan. Okay, go to the first part. Firstly, about Anviz. Generally speaking, Anviz is a global leader in the smart security industry, and we established since 2001. And we are one of the first company who entered into the smart security industry. And we are the world's leading provider of the biometrics, video surveillance, intelligent smart home and smart building solutions. And right now we have 3 subsidiaries and offices globally. In USA, Silicon Valley, we have R&D center, sales center, and operation center for the NA North American market. In China, Shanghai, we have an office, operation center, and R&D center for covering all the AMEA and the Europe market. And also we have a manufacturing base in Yancheng City, also in China, which stand up to 50,000 square meters. And the annual product capacity can reach about 2 million units every year. Okay, about Anviz Milestones, 2001, we started up at the USA to be one of the key physical security product solution provider. And 2003, our first generation biometric device launched to be the key product line. And 2007, we set up operation and R&D center in China, in Shanghai. And also the same year, we launched the global partnership program. So we formally started the global business. And 2013, we launched the full HD camera and we named the product line as the IntelliSight. And 2015, we set up another business unit we call it UTech. And right now our smart lock has becoming the #1 sales in USA for the Bluetooth smart lock industry. 2018, we set up our new 50,000 square meter production base in Yancheng City, China, can satisfy all the requirements from our global partners. And till this year, we upgrade our new slogan, secure workplace, simple management, effective management, and a new slogan of Anviz and target the leading security provider with the AIoT and the cloud. So this is our global networks. Till now, we have more than 100 distributors in the most cities and in the most countries of the world. We have more than 30 solution providers, and we have more than 2,000 resellers across the world. And we have 4 global offices, and we have more than 50 system integrators which work with us for the middle and big projects around the world. This is Anviz product line. We have two product lines right now. In Anviz brand, we have our access control and time attendance management solution. We call it cross-checks. And we have our smart surveillance management solution. We call it IntelliSight. Till now, we have more than 2,000 global partners. We have more than 200,000 successful installations. And we have more than 300,000 enterprises and SMB registered users on our Anviz Cloud. Here is some of our successful cases. Government, universities like vertical industries, and also like the corporation, all can be our good case studies and the customers. Okay, move to the second part to introduce our new IntelliSight solution. Generally speaking, IntelliSight is an intelligent video surveillance product solution launched by Anviz. Till now, the 7th years of IntelliSight, and we upgraded all the hardware, software, mobile app. So the IntelliSight is committed to providing more intelligent video surveillance products, more convenient video management system, and more efficient video security services. And our customer range covering from SMB to the enterprises like factory, office, retail shop, university, all can be our target customers. Here is the system configurations of IntelliSight. We're providing two different kind of installation ways. For the SMB side, there are no need NVR or local storage. The cameras can directly go to the IntelliSight cloud. And for the enterprises, additional to the cameras, we can providing the local storage for the long-term storage of the video stream. And all Anviz IntelliSight system is 100% cloud-based, and you can manage the system and access to the system by a remote desktop VMS, and also you can access to the system by a mobile app. So IntelliSight is an open platform, so we can easily integrate it with third-party VMS by the Anviz protocols. Right now, we have authorized Anviz protocol by the Anviz G, Anviz M, Anviz S, and Anviz T. And we can easily integrate it with Milestone, ActionSoft, and the Genetec solutions. And also we are very focusing on the cybersecurity and the data privacy side. So all the data are equipped with AES 256 protocols, and all our cloud is powered by the AWS. And also the data, we are equipped by the HTTPS protocols, and all our cloud are certified with compliant with GDPR regulations in Europe. So any kind of projects, customers, don't worry about cybersecurity and data privacy. And the total solution is open and easy to integrate it. And for IntelliSight itself, it's very easy to deployment and very easy to management. And you can manage the system, access to the system, any place and any time. Okay, the core competitive advantages of IntelliSight, there has 4 parts. The first part, the system is parameter and the cloud mixed infrastructures. So we can help the customers saving up to 80% storage cost compared to the total cloud storage solution. And secondly, it's a centralized management solution. So you don't need to invest any local server and at any subsidiary sites. And the system is unlimited scalable solution. You can extend 1, 10, 100, 1,000 sites, and you can easily realize the centralized management. And all the system with the data auto push function, you don't need to invest any money for the monitoring facilities like monitoring rooms. And also you don't need to invest money on any labor cost. So you will got any and all emergency events on time by the system will auto push to the cloud and push to the mobile app and the VMS. And then finally, the system is the OTA maintenance. So zero investment for any extra maintenance cost. with over-the-air technology. So the hardware, the NVR, the VMS will go to our cloud server to download the latest firmwares and the software versions. So you don't need to worry about any manual maintenance for this kind of solution. Okay, this is our IntelliSight product family. Right now, we will launch 6 models of cameras, 2 NVRs, and our centralized management VMS and the mobile app. We call the IntelliSight Mobile. So the third part, let's go to the Smart Edge camera side. So the core value of our smart cameras, the first value is to put everything in the Smart Edge. So by the strong power from Qualcomm, IntelliSight becomes a 100% Edge AI-based system, which helps the customer quickly got major AI applications, and you can minimize the investment on the servers and the labor cost. And all our cameras are NDA compliant. So no matter you're in US, Europe, Middle East, everywhere, so you can no worry about bidding any government projects. Don't worry about it. We have powerful HAI algorithms. Right now, Anviz iCam cameras supporting the RVR algorithms. We call it real video intelligence, which is supporting 10 plus outstanding features like facial detection, person detection, behavior detection, abnormal sound detection, cross-line detection, object moving detection. We equipped all algorithms at the edge of the camera, so you don't need to invest any back AI servers to saving the cost, and it helps SI to minimize the installation and the system and deployment cost. Okay, this is our video image performance technologies. So crisp 4K, so we can providing very good 4K images, so you can got very accurate details of each images and every place. So we have very good starlight and dark light technologies, which has reached to 0.01 lux. And we can reach up to 140 dB WDR, which is the highest level in the industry. And we have 360-degree panorama views. And we have digital PTZ and auto-focusing function for high-end models of Anviz cameras. And we have our own smart stream technologies, which you can get best smart stream and saving better ones, together with H.265 plus and 2.264. Okay, for the deployment side, iCam cameras support 4G Lite, Wi-Fi, PoE, a lot of multiple options for the customers and the SIs to quick deployment of the system and install the cameras. Okay, on the management side, Anviz iCam cameras supporting 2 major management ways. The first major method is by the AWS cloud. iCam camera can directly link to Anviz cloud and manage on VMS and a mobile app. So the second way is iCam camera are compatible with the OnWave protocols and it could be integrated with any third-party OnWave system. Okay, our iCam camera solutions, including 3 different kind of product categories. First category, we call a standard AI camera. For the standard AI applications, we have person vehicle detection, motion detection, the ROI range detection, cross-line intrusion detection. And the second series, we call Pro AI cameras, which including the person vehicle detection, motion detection, ROI, person vehicle features, analytics, and people counting, face match. And we have deep AI cameras, which cameras with deep learning algorithms, such like LPR cameras for US and EU, panoramic view cameras. Okay, let me go to the camera introduction one by one. So the first camera we call eye-cam B2 is a 5 mega indoor mini dome camera. So this camera is up to 5 mega UHD crisp image. It's super mini dome and a hidden installation. Very good for the like meeting rooms, like financial rooms, for very hidden installations. So the camera is PoE based and it supports the edge storage up to 128 gigabytes. Normally it can restore like 1 week, 2 week video streams with our Anviz Smart Stream. It with a built-in microphone, so you can collect the sound very clearly in a 5 meters range. So this is the IR cameras. The IR distance can reach to 10 meters, and this is day and night auto switch functions. For the application side, the D2 is suggested to use in meeting rooms, mini bar, gyms, clinic, and some other SMB and small areas. So the second model for the standard AR camera is eye-cam B2. It's a 5 mega outdoor bullet camera. It's up to 5 mega, IP60, IP66 outdoor application. It's PoE based and also with the edge storage. With a built-in microphone. So the IR distance can reach to 20 meters. And also with a Wi-Fi installation, Wi-Fi option for the wireless communications. So the application is a very good model for the outdoor parameter security. Okay, the third model of our standard AI camera is eye-cam D28F. It's a fisheye camera. 8 MB is a 4K indoor fisheye camera. So it's up to 8 mega 4K crisp image. And also with super mini dome and hidden installation, with PoE and edge storage, and with a built-in microphone, and with 360-degree when you have the ceiling mount, and 180-degree when you wall mounted it. On the application side, it's supporting applied in the meeting rooms, mini bars, like SMB areas. Okay, first model for the Pro AI cameras is eye-cam D48. It's a 4K outdoor AI dome cameras. It's up to 4K crisp image. It's a very good outdoor application with IP66 and IP10 vandal proof, so you can use it in any outdoor applications. It's a PoE based and with edge storage. It's with dual sound with a built-in microphone and a speaker. You can realize the intercom. It with 3 times motorized lens, autofocusing function. So the IR can reach to 40 meters, long range IR. So application, it can be used in large areas like warehouse, workshop, university classrooms, and other big areas, indoor and outdoor environment. Okay, the second model for Pro AI camera is eye-cam B38. It's a 4K outdoor AI bullet camera. It's also up to 4K, IP66 for outdoor application, with flexible options for the communications like PoE, Wi-Fi, 5G. It with dual speaker and a microphone can realize the intercom. It also with a motorized lens, 40 meters IR. And the application is recommended in the car parking entrance, perimeter security area to detecting the cars, vehicles, different types. Okay, the final one for the Pro AI camera, the final model of eye-cam is eye-cam D48F. It's a big 4K fisheye camera. It's up to 4K image, IP66 outdoor application. It's a PoE based, edge storage, and built-in microphone and a speaker. It with a 360-degree ceiling mount and 108-degree wall mounted. And for the application side, it can be used in the warehouse, workshop, car selling, 4S shops, university classroom, and any big areas. You can centralize the installation of these fish eyes. Okay, finally, I will introduce one of our roadmap camera. We call Deep AI camera. Is our auto number plate recognition camera, which will be launched in Q3. So, and typically, I want to introduce our ANPR technology. Is the latest machine vision technology, which is better to the first generation called ACR recognition and deep learning algorithm in both recognition of fast license plate and the recognition of damaged and the dirty license plate. Now, Anviz NPR technology can reach to 99% accuracy for recognizing all US and the European Union car plate numbers. For any other regions, if your car plate numbers is organized by the numbers and the English letters, all can be recognized by our current technologies. If you have special fonts like Arabic, like French, like other fonts, we can customize for you, case by case, project by project. Okay, here I provide two application things, recommendations to you. For SMB, we can see like we can use some standard AI cameras from the front door to the back door. And for the enterprise applications, we can use some pro cameras to covering from your car parking lots, for your workshop, for your warehouse, for the perimeter security. So different applications. Okay, the first part, we'll go to our VMS and the mobile app. Right now, our VMS can be supporting download from our website, and the mobile app you can download just searching IntelliSight from the iOS store, Apple Store, and Google Play. Okay, for the IntelliSight, we're providing you two different kind of login ways. The first login ways, and you can register cloud account, so you can remotely manage it. And we're also providing a local account, so you can realize the configurations very quickly. So it's flexible for you to do different kind of functions. If you want to configure the cameras, you can log in by a local account, and you want a management system. So better you log in with your cloud account. So all Anviz camera is by the supporting DHCP, and you can auto find the cameras if you just need to log into the same router networks. You can easily find the camera by DHCP function. You don't need to configure the IP, any complex operations, no need. Just the auto search, and you can add. So all the configurations we're putting on the preview windows. So you can configure the cameras at the preview images for any kind of requirements. And without any skip out to the web server and go back, no need. You can just on the VMS, you can realize all the configurations. So we're providing multiple recording options, like 24 hours recording, like event recording, set a certain time to record. So you can have the multiple options. And for the playback, we support up to 4 channels synchronous playback. So you can very fast and easily find the emergency and find the person, vehicles, emergency things in this kind of windows, playback windows. We have a very good EMAP function, so it realizes one-stop management. So you can pull the cameras into the certain position, and when it has event, will automatically pop out. So you can just use this one window to manage all the events, all the cameras. You can control everything. Okay, we have a smart event center, supports customized search by different event type and time. So we already divided certain kind of categories. You can search it automatically on our VMS. Okay, for the mobile app side, firstly, our mobile app support multiple sites management. So if it's a retail shop, no matter you have 10 shops, 100 shops, 1,000 shops, you can use this kind of app to manage all these kind of subsidiaries and sites. You can quick add the device by just scanning the barcode. You can QR code. You can add the device to the VMS, to the app. Here we're providing a multiple channel preview. You can preview just one window. You can preview for 4 windows. You can set up all the operations on the windows like snapshot, like intercom, like all the settings. Here we provide a favorite list, so you can add in the important monitoring points into the favorite list. So at next time you just hit the favorite list, you can see all the important security points you want to see. So here we're providing a same smart event center like VMS, so you can search the important events on this kind of smart event management center. We have a playback by easily moving fingertip. So it's very easily to move your finger to the certain time point to checking the playback videos. So here's just the simple introduction about our mobile app and the VMS. So after this webinar, I will email to you guys one by one. So our technical engineers will give you a live demo for this kind of VMS and mobile app one by one. Okay, so the fifth part, let me introduce two NVRs to you. The first NVR we call Livestation 2 is a 32 channel dual HDD NVR. So this NVR is up to 32 channels camera storage, supporting dual HDD for up to 16 terabyte storage. It's supporting 4K stream storage with a full metal casing, very easily to heat spread and very fashion design, supporting management by the VMS and the app. So these applications I will recommend to apply in smart storage to the retail stores, small offices, gyms, clinics for SMB. Okay, we have another NVR we call Livestation 4 is 64 channels for 4 HDD. It's up to 64 channels, supporting 32 terabyte storage, 4K stream storage, full metal casing, supporting management by VMS and app. And the application I recommend to apply in the enterprises, corporations, supermarkets, schools, because it has multiple channels and the 4 HD can store long time. So different kind of applications. Okay, the final part for today will be introducing about our partnership plan. So in 2007, Anviz has launched its first generation HEPP program. We call it Anviz Global Partnership Programs. And until now, we have 15 years. So we have 3 generations of our authorized partner program. So Anviz has very mature and very good partnership program. So we authorized partner, we designed for our industry leading dealers, highly qualified in surveillance security solutions. The program helps partners build a sustainable business model in a fast changing environment. And we help you to do branding. We have very good training program. We have very good marketing program, and we have let you to learn and to have very good profit margins. Here we have 6 favorites for our partners. So firstly, we call register reward package for the registered partner like today. So you already registered for our webinars. Also, you can register from our website. For everyone online registered customer, we will provide a free demo kit and a free first order discount to you. So after this webinar, our sales manager will contact you one by one. So you can choose the proper model, maybe 1 or 2 model, we can send to you for the free testing. And for the first order, of course, we can give you some discount for your first stock order of Anviz camera products. And we have very good considerable profit margin. So as Anviz camera is 100% AI based, so compared to the other major brands on the market, only have like 10%, 15% profit. We leave like 40% from profit margin to our partners, because Anviz has very strong marketing team, so we can create the value to all of our customers. And we have very good media support packages, including where to buy on our website, case study newsletter, social media promotion, and for the exhibitions, we're providing the extra media marketing support packages to supporting the co-branding for the exhibitions. We're providing the premier logistics services. So for the US and Europe customers, we can providing the extra service by the DHL door-to-door shipment, and can realize the picking up goods within 7 days in main cities. So you don't need to wait a long time, like 30 days, 60 days to receive your goods, no need. And with cameras, you can receive it in the 7 days, because we're using the strategy with like very limited models, but with very good stable quality and very good sustainable supplies. And we have fixed and stable, very strong, powerful monthly training to you will be provided to your partner, including fixed online courses and request a chatbot online training. So currently we're only providing the free training monthly. So you can attending our monthly training to get all the information about the latest products, software, and how to use like technical part and the sales part like today. And we provide up to 5 years warranty and all lifetime maintenance. So for every CCTV products, the hardware, we provide 5 years warranty and all lifetime maintenance. We upgrade our VMS, hardware, and the software without charge any money from your side. Okay, thanks for listening. So this is today's my part, first part. So me and my engineer are in this dialogue. So if you have any question, you can hands up, you can type in the chat window. So we'll answer about 3 to 5 questions here. Okay, so we'll wait about 5 minutes or 10 minutes to waiting for your questions. Okay, come. Okay, no problem. You can get this record. We will send this record to you. No problem. Thanks, and let's keep in touch. Wi-Fi covered. Now Wi-Fi could cover 30 to 50 meters without in outside space, inside space, about 20 to 30 meters, depending on the environment. So the Wi-Fi is depending on the environment for the installation. If outside, the maximum distance we tested is like 50 meters. The inside, normally it can like 20, 30 meters due to where installation, the distance with the routers, you know, normally if with some kind of walls, normally the covering like 20 to 30 meters indoor, no problem. Wi-Fi right now we don't have Wi-Fi camera. We'll consider it into our roadmap. Now, what do you think about AI functions? Which functions? License plate. Okay, thank you. Where are you from? Okay, so today it's just like this. So I will stop the webinar. So after the webinar, I will email to everybody to talk more details about the market, the products, and we will issue the technical training and demo for all of you guys. So thanks for your attending. So this period is like a certain kind of lockdown in the China, but hopefully next month, early next month, will be everything will be get better, and we can talk about each other face to face very quickly. Thanks for joining. Bye bye.